Alright, today I'm going to introduce you a new device. We call it as Ultrasonic Skin Spatula. Normally people will know it as a skin scraper. So what it will do, basically it helps to get rid of your dead skin cells, yeah? And it's very effective tools. It's based on the wavelength that is available in this device itself. And let me show you how it works. Basically, it has the wavelength available in this device when you start to use it. Okay, first you need to use the micellar water to rinse, to clean your makeup. Okay, what you do is just pour it out onto the cotton, and then you just wipe it through. Simple, just go across to your forehead, going down, and then going to the side, your cheeks. Alright, and then your upper lip, the chin area, and you just turn your cotton and proceed to your neck. Yeah. Once you proceed, you have done all the things, you have wiped everything clean. Proceed it by rinsing it off with water. Let me show you how to use this device properly. So what you do is when you're on this spatula, alright, when you're on this spatula, once you're on it, you just have to tilt it to 45 degrees and scrape it up all the way. Do not leave at the same spot for more than 3 seconds. Yeah, you just go up all the way over here, next one, and here. Not too close to your eyes, yeah? And you can go for your nose, alright? You can just scrape it all the way out. So it also helps to push out all your sebums at the same time. So it's very easy. And when you use it to your neck area, you can just scrape it all up. Yeah, just scrape it all the way up. And the connection between your chin and your neck, you can just go sideways. Yeah, just go this way. Simple and easy to use. Put your toner and your moisturizer. Should you need to do mask right after this, you can just apply your sheet mask and relax yourself for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you can proceed with your other things.